Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix AMD Timeout Has Occurred error in Windows 10 and 11. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first, fix right here. Right click on your start menu and click on Device Manager. Wait for it to load. Then once it loads, you're going to find your display adapters and find your AMD graphics card. Right click on it and click on Update Driver. Click on Browse My Computer for Drivers and then click on Let Me Pick. Select your AMD display signature right here and then just click on Next. Your screen will flicker, don't worry about it, it's normal. Okay, and then once that's done, go ahead and test it out. If that still won't work, open up your favorite browser and then go ahead and find AMD driver, okay, or drivers. Head on Enter, click on the first link right here and then just click on Download Windows Drivers. Save it wherever you want. Wait for the download process right here to finish and then just click on the installer to open or to start the installation process. Click on yes as there will be a pop-up. Okay, just wait for this thing to fully load and then once that's done, you'll be able to see this exact page. Okay, so under AMD Software Adrenaline Edition, you'll be able to see your graphics card. Make sure that you click on additional options right here. Okay, so click on additional options. Now under software type, make sure that you select what? Driver only. Okay, again, driver only. And then once that's done, make sure that you tick on factory reset. Okay, tick on it and now click on accept and to express install. And then after that, follow simple prompts, restart your computer, and once done, you're good to go. That is how you fix AMD Timeout Has Occurred error in Windows 10 or 11. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.